Hey, what's up guys? Daniel here. Are these Sony headphones really worth $215 more than these $35 headphones? Let's find out. So let's start with the $250 big boy headphones. This is the Sony. I have to read off the screen because I can never remember the name of these things. These are Sony WHX900N. Yes, that is the actual name. These are the real deal. These things have active noise cancellation, extra bass, 30-hour battery life, Alexa, Google Assistant, 3D audio that you can control in an app, and a bunch of other stuff that you can see in the links in the description below. Now these $35 headphones are a little bit simpler. They have Bluetooth, and if you look very closely, you can see it has two speakers that produces sound. And that's it. That's pretty much all you get. Pretty bare bones, $35. But how do they sound? Well, let's start with the big boy headphones again. These Sonys have been my daily drivers for the last 6-7 months, and these are by far my favorite headphones probably ever. I prefer my sound bias more towards very bass heavy, and thankfully I can actually change that balance in the app with something that's called clear bass. And with that, I turn that thing up. It feels like I have subwoofers on my ears. It's incredible. The music quality is absolutely sublime. Video as well is very vivid and very accurate. You get very accurate sound. They're also very comfortable. I have not had an issue whatsoever. I wear these all day, every day for 6-7 months now. Not a problem at all. Now these are called the TriBit BTH70, and these were my daily drivers for a little over a year actually. They are a bit weathered because I wore these just about every single day, all day for a little over a year, and amazingly they sound really good. I would almost argue that these sound nearly identical to the Sony's, just without the clear bass. Almost. Very close. Which is saying a lot for headphones that are 14% of the price of the Sony. They have a full and balanced sound to them. There is bass in there. If you turn the volume up loud enough, it's in there. You'll find it, which is my preference. But that may not be how you prefer your music. I just wish it had a little bit more bass. These are also very comfortable. Again, I had these for over a year. Every single day, all day I wore them. Not a problem. And they are not noise canceling, but man, they do isolate you from all the sounds around you extremely well. I've been on a bunch of flights with these things, and these are lifesavers. If you are the audiophile or the person who really cares about your music quality and you want to experience your music the way it was intended in the best quality possible, then obviously, yeah, the Sonys. Or if you just don't care and you just want the best deal and you want to get the most headphones for your money, then the TriBits, definitely. But these TriBits are definitely not a penalty box. You really do get the best bang for your money with these things. So, are these headphones really worth $215 more than these? No, don't get me wrong. These are better than the $35 headphones in literally every single possible way. This is true, but not over $200 worth. If you're on a budget, these TriBits are outstanding headphones. Also, buyer's advice, don't actually pay $250 for these. I got these for $170 on Amazon, and I've seen it as low as $150. Just wait for the sale. There will be a sale just wait. They're definitely worth the wait. So second, also, Amazon has payment plans for this. You can pay it off in 5 months in like 5 installments, which is what I did. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have something you want me to review, or if you just have questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments below. This is Daniel's Tech Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.